Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very charming looks and a decent and attractive designs. So will be also attractive ideas. A different stunning videos in a different stunning designs. Keep me attractive and sharing a good more attractive videos. You will be attractive videos and attractive designs. We're also sharing a good more attractive and stunning designs and different demanding videos. Keep me attractive and sharing the most attractive and elegant ideas. In elegance videos of this video, it's all about the crochet blouse designs, crochet style blouses ideas, are different stylish, different most demanding and most attractive and stunning videos. Are also sharing a good things. I crochet many things ideas are available for my channels. Are also sharing a good more elegant videos and most attractive designs and most demanding videos. You will be a perfectly videos in a beautiful ideas and different attractive and stunning designs. Keep me attractive and sharing a good more elegant videos. Are also sharing a good demanding videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos in a fantastic charming looks and different designs, different videos. You will also attractive ideas, also charming videos you share with you and most demanding videos. So I request you all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing the good more attractive, good more stunning and good more elegance and most demanding designs I have shared with you, and I have shared with you newly videos with a newly demanding designs. You will also get charming videos and most attractive videos. Keep more attractive and sharing a good more elegant designs and newly perfectly videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic and charming looks and charming designs of trendy baby girls frocks are very best to my channels. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.